We have a really nice space here, so we have a range of all different types of tools and materials for our different projects.
They learn the tools, they learn the processes, they learn how to do that. And that way, then when they say create something else, not only build out their ideas, but also with what tools to use and how to do that.
This is going to help them to realize how to make hands-on projects, identifying a problem, trying to find a solution, and then at the end of it you have something you physically made that you can either use or display or exhibit.
Ultimately, the big deal with art is giving students the opportunity to express the things they want to express.
See, this is where you can make your projects come alive, really. If you have like inkling of an idea, if you have like a big grand project, you don't know how to achieve it, then you can come in here and I can show you what we have.
You can come in as an individual and build out projects. You could also work with a team. And because the space is open, because it invites people to be able to work together, a big part of this space for me as an art teacher is to start to make it more open. Say, hey, I can actually go make things here. I can start to experiment here. It makes it really easy to have a collaborative project. What I'm wanting for students is for them to have that chance to be involved in a place and understand the tools to make what they want to make.